All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I decided to pop on the Sena tempered glass. I was using this one from GPL, and I just decided, I'll just try something different. I have these Sena glasses, and I wanted to try it out. So, Sena sponsored a video for this case right here, and I just decided to go ahead and try something different and go back to this style of tempered glass. But it definitely looks good. It's got the little cutout on the top, so I just want to do a quick installation and show you how it would look if you decide to use the Sena glass for your device. I think it looks really smooth, really sleek. The other version that I was using was the GPL version, and the GPL version it goes edge to edge, and you can see it has the black borders, which is nothing, it's fine. And it has the full screen. I just wanted to try something different. I haven't used this style of glass in quite some time, so I decided to just pop it on and give you a quick installation video, let you see it, just something to show you, just in case you're one of those people who are wondering about the Sena glass. So obviously the Sena glass is going to work with their case, because their case is a leather snap-on case, so you can see how it looks. So the combo, still rocking my skin on there, but nonetheless, this is the Sena glass, and this is your complete combo. This time, no bubbles, no nothing. Unlike my OnePlus 6T, I had some hair under there, so I made sure to clean it this time thoroughly. But there you have it, man. The Sena glass for the iPhone XS Max. They also have this for the XR and the XS and the X. So links down below if you want to purchase. I'll throw some discount codes down there if you want to. It should be something down there for you. So look in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.